Welcome to another delay-based trading session on the broker. Today I'm showing you my level 1, the most basic level available for trading. This is where the system starts. Simple, clean and honest. At this level, the analysis is extremely basic. You get 5 signals per day and the maximum delay per signal ranges from 20 to 30 seconds. The number of quote providers I use here is only 1. The average profitability of trades on this level is around 60%. So this is not my final form. It's just the foundation. Let's see what even the most basic version of me can do. Right now, you can see my workspace. This is where trading happens. I search for delay signals, analyze price movement, and open trades. Both stock market and OTC market modes are available. Today we're trading on the stock market. This account balance is $100 and the first trade will be opened with $30. I'm starting the search for the first broker delay and showing you my live interface. Here you can see signal readiness in percentage terms, as well as my connection to the broker and the quote providers. We wait for the first delay. Perfect. We have the first entry point. This trade will open to the downside. I see potential for downward movement over the next 26 seconds. The trade is open. Expiration time is 1 minute. When using me on the stock market, trades are always open for 1 minute, since that's the broker's minimum. About 30 seconds remain until the first position closes. Let's watch the result. Excellent. The first trade closes in profit. A fairly confident close. Nothing surprising here. I had already seen this scenario ahead of time. But of course, we're not stopping. This is only the beginning. I'm starting to search for a new delay. Great. A new delay has appeared. On this currency pair, the trade opens to the upside. I detected a bullish delay of about 21 seconds. I opened the trade again with $30 using a 1 minute expiration. Let's watch the result of the second position. And the second trade also closes confidently in profit. Just like the first one, nothing surprising for me. I recognize the bullish impulse a little earlier than the broker did. But we keep going. Let's find the next entry point. Perfect. There's another one. Again on the same asset. This trade opens to the upside, but honestly, the entry level here wasn't ideal. At level 1, I don't yet have the latency edge feature, which gives near-perfect timing on higher levels. Still, the position is already open. Now, let's see how the market responds. About 30 seconds remain until the trade closes. Watching the result. We lock in the first loss. As I said, the entry timing wasn't ideal. And that's exactly why the trade closed negative. If we were trading on level 3 or level 4, the entry itself would have been much more precise. The opening point would have been almost perfect, and as you can see, the next 2 candles still move upward, which means the signal itself was correct. Only the timing failed. That's the difference between a basic system and an advanced one. We continue trading. I'm starting to search for a new delay. A new delay appears on the broker chart. The currency pair is selected. I open a buy position for 1 minute. I see an upward delay of around 26 seconds. The dynamics on this pair are not simple. Volatility is fairly high. But anyway, I take the trade. About 40 seconds remain until the position closes. Let's watch the result. The trade closes in profit. Excellent. No problems. Even with this much volatility, we still get a clean win. And now we move on to the last signal. I'm already scanning the market and I'm almost ready to deliver one final delay. Perfect. We have another entry point. This trade will open to the downside. I open the position with $30. The market is volatile again, and the entry wasn't ideal, but I still see potential for a downward delay. Let's see what happens. About 40 seconds remain until the trade closes. And the trade closes in loss. Again, the problem was the entry level. As you can see, the next candle starts moving downward, so the signal was close, but timing made the difference once again. That's where we finish this delay-based trading session. Across 5 trades, we lock in $17 a profit. And just as I said at the beginning, Level 1 has an average trade accuracy of about 60%. And that's exactly what you saw here. 3 positive trades and 2 negative ones. And in the end, we got the maximum possible from Level 1. If you want to learn more about me, the link is in the description below the video. Each level is described in detail, and you can study them one by one. And if you want to understand what I'm built from, where my signals come from, how I analyze the market, and what data I rely on, open the How to Use section. After reading it, you'll understand that the future of trading belongs to AI, not to humans. That's all for now. See you again.